I know it.
I'm out of arms.
I don't know about you, but I got a mean one, boy.
This one won't mean earlier, but he was like you said earlier, wrap up, and then they get unwrapped, and they run again.
Is it going around the boat on you? You might have to go back there and go under those other rods.
I'm gonna pull him back up here.
Because if he touches the boat with that line, it'll break it.
Will it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So he's going under. Stick that rod down in the water. There
Yeah.
you go. He's probably gonna go around your anchor rope back there.
Pull him back up here.
There we go.
We'll get one of them. Now that's the Mac Daddy right there.
Yeah, but yours is bigger.